morning. Yeah. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for someone who's sending the like. Hi, Alex. Hello, Alex Turk. Hi, 5 people. Hello, everyone. Thank you for the likes, po. I wake up in the morning with your light beats inside. Oh my god. Thank you so someone sending heart. Hi, pretty lady. Smiling Clover. Smiling Clover. Thank you for the sending. Hi, 9 million. 9 people. Things happen when you're getting happy. Thank you, Paul. Thank you so much. Thank you, 14 people. Oh my god. Hi, Patrick. Hi, Pat. Thank you for the likes. 17 people. Thank you, Paul. Mm-hmm. 22 people here. Thank you so much. Hi, Derek Johns. Good morning, Cheryl. Good morning, Derek. How are you? Good morning, Derek. Thank you so much. 8 people. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Else, God bless. Thanks us. Good morning po, riders, scorpions. How are you, my friend? I'm fine, rider. How about you po? 23 likes, 23 people. Where are you from? Nawalaman, nawalaman, may sinasabi at daw ako. Yes. Thank you po for 26 people. 26. Thank you so much. Aray ko. Hi, Biglan. Magandang umaga. Gwapo siya. Hi, Biglan. How are you, Biglan? Thank you for joining here. Thank you po. Aray ko. Wow. Thank you so much. 32 people. Thank you so much, Biglan. Like and subscribe and share. Thank you po. Super chat, super stickers, and membership are available every once. Tap the dollar sign on the lower right of your screen. Thank you, Big Lon. Hi, Tommy. Hi, Seba. Seba's Kuban. Hello po. Hey there, how are you been doing? Where's the wedding ring? Not yet the wedding ring. Thank you so much. Kata. What's kata means? Thank you po. Karawi Kitty Merumi Inamore Diti. Thank you so much, Big Lon. The wedding ring is not yet the wedding ring. Da, 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 da. What? Carlos said, every time I look at you, I fall in love. Thank Big Lon. Hi, Simonite. Hi, my beautiful lady and my heart and eyes. Hi, Simonite. What country are you in? I'm from Philippines. Wow. I'm from Philippines. So when is the wedding and when can we meet you soon to be husband? Um, Not yet. It's a planning. So when the wedding and when can we meet you soon to be husband? Not yet, but Tommy Mattis. I would treat you as my queen. Really? You should be laying in my arms as you dreamy angel. Silent night. I would enjoy meeting you anytime. Oh my god. Kailangan mo naman. You are very beautiful. Thank you po, Barry Gonzalez. 28 people. Hi. How old are you? I'm 40. 40 years old. Are you good, cook? I'm cooking, but not the best. Hi, Angel Zampalera. Hello po, Angel. 37 people in the house. Thank you so much. Janine God, Diggyuan. Hi, good morning, beautiful lady. Good morning. Do you sell? No, no, I don't sell. Ryan, I'm not selling them. So, every dream given to the angel from the heaven should be a love gift from heaven to you, my beautiful one. Simon, hi, distant view. I love seeing you, Barry. Hi, Barry. My God, continue to bless you and your family always, sister. Thank you, Barry. Thank you, Barry. Air repeats. Sweet girl. Thank you, Angel. Ingay. Hi, 46 people na in the house. Thank you po. Kailangan mo nang malaman na wala nang mga sinasabing magkakatinlapi. Babaero daw ako. Yeah. Babaero daw ako. 34. It's cold. You should take off the black sweater. No. Yeah, it's cold. A little cold. 40 people. Thank you. Thank you to those who hit the likes. Thank you so much. Do you have any children? I have one son. Yep. 45, 41. One more child. Mm. Imagine your dreams are creation of good art as we were created yourself. If you were my favorite art treasure, I would cherish you above all. Wow, Simon Knight. Simon Knight. Thank you for you two people in the house. What's the time now? Cause roaster, rubber bro, Kokoro, Kokoro. Time here, 5:15 in the morning. You know we all want the best for you. Thank you. Thank you, Barry. 5:55 people here. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. Nana mo nang malaman na wala nang mga sinasabing magkakatinglabi. Mabait ang Thank you po. Thank you sa nag-likes. Thank you po. It's 2:46 a.m. here. Where are you? Where are you from? The stand view. The stand view. Where are you from? The stand view. Barry, I would like to wake up with you next to me every morning. Wow. Barry, calm down. 50 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you for, thank you for joining. 50 people. Northeast and okay. Nice to meet you here. Thank you for joining. Air replied. Air repeated. Replied. Zanama. Sanama Hamad. Hi, Sanama. Hi, beautiful. Hello. Yeah. Your repeats. Your replied. What it? I don't know how to pronounce. 45. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Hi, 51 people. Thank you so much. Where are you from? I'm not sad. Just wake up. Thank you po. This is my WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Bye. My God. Hi, the 55 people here. Thank you so much for watching. Ano ba yan? Thank you for watching po. 16 people hit the likes. Kailangan mo nang malaman ng ating labing sinasabing ating labing bababaero tawag. You are very beautiful. Hi, James Hogan. Thank you for joining. Bababaero tawag ko ay isang 35 people. Thank you so much, James Hogan. $39 likes. People. Oh my God, 49. Hope hit the likes po. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Oh my God, 20 likes. My God, thank you po. Morning exercise na. Day 57 people here. Thank you. Okay, now I need to stretch every morning. Wake up in the morning, exercise. Let's go. Aray ko. Thank you so much. How is my favorite lady looking? What's looking good? Looking so beautiful. I could just enjoy my gift. What? My gifted us before my eyes. A desire. Grabbing. A desire. Loving much. What? Thank you. What? Ever chose. Ever chose. Kailangan mo magdaman. Thank you for 65 people. Thank you for thank you so much. Thank you so much. 62. Oh my god, 62 people in the house. 65. Morning exercise pa. Thank you, 79 people. Thank you po. Thank you. 70. Thank you, Father. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Oh my God, 89 people here. Thank you, 90 people. Hi, Nicholas. Hello po. Thank you so much. 94 people in the house. Thank you. Thank you po.
Gusto nila ba?
Anong oras? 5. Aga pa. Pero ginawa na.
Wala pa po.
Thank you, 80. Oh my God, 30 people in the people. Thank you po. Thank you guys. Are you single? No, I'm not available po. Thank you. Oh my God, 23 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you po. 77. 77. Oh, 30 people, 30 likes. Thank you po. My God, you are really beautiful. Thank you, Nicholas. Thank you po. sinasabi. Thank you. Thank you so much, 60 people in the house. Thank you, 60 people. Thank you so much. Where did they go wrong? What did I do to make you change? When I said there's love but if this love's not still goodbye. Why did it have to be so sad? Still, thank you, 54 people. Where did I go wrong? What did I do to make you change your mind completely when I thought Thank you so much. 39. 52 people in the house. Thank you po. Why have to hi Frank? All pretty girls have husband always have bad luck. Hey God. Oh my God. Why you say that? Good morning. Hi Rick. Good morning. It was nice talking earlier. Earlier. Hi. Oh my God. Thank you, Dwayne. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Hi, Frank. Tell me there are 59 people in the house. Thank you po. 38 likes. Hi, Frank. You look beautiful. What? 60 people here. Thank you po. Why sit at the window sun when you say that you won't never leave me? Tell me where did I go? Hi, 55. 55 people in the house. My God. What is to happiness? And let it go with you. Hi, Deshal. Where are you from? I don't understand the Thai language. Hello, Russia. Hi, from Russia. 39 people will hit the likes. Thank you. 44. Oh, from India. Nice to meet you, Del Shadali from India. Del Shadali. 67 hit people here now. Oh my God, 72 people. Thank you so much po. Oh my God. I'm looking to myself. I'm always looking to myself. Oh my God. Thank you po. 66 people. VJ Sardar. VJ Sardar. Hi VJ. 40 likes. Thank you for the 40 likes. 48 people in the house. Thank you so much. I'm always looking to myself. Oh my God. 70 people. Thank you po. 65 people in the house. My God. Why did it happen to Hi mom. Hi Antonio Mangla. Mangyam. Hi, Antonio Mengiam. Thank you to those hit the like. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Oh, 76 people here now. My hi, Farmansha. Farmansha. Hi from Australia. Hi po from Australia. Farmansha. Farmansha from Australia. Nice to meet you here. Oh my god, 81 people here now. Thank you for the 40 likes. Thank you so much po. Oh my god. Adikhan. Adikhan. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Which country do you belong? I'm living here in the Philippines. I'm from Philippines. Which country? Yeah, I'm from Philippines. Living here in the Philippines. Asia. Thank you po. 51, 41 likes. Thank you. Thank you sa nag-likes. Yes, Philippines po for Mansha, Philippines. Deisha. Thank you po. Why should I marry you? Handnam. Why should I marry you? Which state? No, no state. It's a province. Bicol province, Philippines. Bicol province is a province. I'm living here in the province. Different in ano no. It's a different in America. America is a states. Here, province. Bicol. David Moore. Hi, Sir David Moore. My bad. It's it's fine. 76. Hi, 76 people. Where are you from? I want to join Deisha. Pero like, I don't like, I don't like. Thank you po, 18 people in the house. Thank you so much. Why did it have to? Thank you so much. It had to into sun when you said that you would never leave me. Mom, daming manok. Maraming manok. 82 people. Hi. 45 likes. Thank you po. 83. Hi, Coco. Coco. Ano? 120, 120, 75, 75. Frank, hi Frank. Frank. You look beautiful. Oh, thank you. Dirty, hi. Ah, thank you, Rick. Thank you, Rick. Hoy, boyfriend. Why boyfriend? Thank you, Rick. Thank you for the gift. Kevin Reed. Kevin Reed. 8411. Nestor Omar Rodriguez. Hi. Um, Kevin Reed. Coco. Why love? Oh my god. Oh, thank you. Thank you po, Sir Dwayne. You're welcome. See, 72 people. Oh my god. I'm watching my own. Oh my gulay. Why did it have to end so sad when you say that you would never 65 people here now. Thank you po. 45 likes. Hi. Thank you for the likes. Oh my god. Bakit naman? Bakit pa kiss? Libre ba ang kiss? Can you back up so we can get your picture? Okay, I can back up. Send a super chat. Talk. Ma'am, wala akong pakialam. Antonio. Palagayahin. I'm in a restaurant. I can't hear you. Ah, okay. You, 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 you did? You're having a date with someone? Rick? Why did it have to winter sun when you said that you would never leave me? 67 people in the house. No date, my brother. Ah, you with my brother. You with your brother. Say hi to your brother. Hi, Kevin Reed. 8411. Amar Givas Cosinar Hoy. Cosinar Hoy. Mike and Venus. Good morning, Sir Mike and Venus. 48 people. Thank you for the likes. Gas. Galsipi. He said hello. Mama, ano paborito? Paborito ko ulam. Bicol Express. Gulay. Edward Faria. 75 75 people. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much for the supporting me here. 75 people in the house. 48 likes. Thank you so much. I'm lurking myself. My goodness. My god. Hi. You would like eating here. Maybe food good there. Good there. Yummy. Wow, magaling ako dyan. Bas ba yan? 68 people. Thank you for 68 people in the house. Thank you so much. When you say that you would never been married, Sir Edward. When you say that you 58 people and 48 likes. Thank you so much po. Yes, all fresh fish. Oh, wow. That's great. Fresh fish. I like fish. Seafoods. I like seafoods. I noticed you like to sing. Yes. Me, almost Filipino love, I love singing. Like singing. Not all, but many. Many people love singing. Time to eat. I will take you later. Thank you, Rick, for joining here. Thank you so much. Thank you for the sour chat. How old are you? I'm 40 years old. Hello, beautiful. Hi, Sir Fred. How are you, Sir Fred? I'm wake up early. I'm wake up too early po. Fred, my friend, good day to you. Thank you po. How's sabi? I don't know, maybe still sleeping. Hi, John. Last night just talk a lot with Happy. My God, he talk a lot. He talk a lot. Hey, Dwayne. Hey, Sir Dwayne. Hi, Sir Fred. I said that you would never leave. Good morning, Sir John. Thank you for joining po. And wondering why we had to be. Oh my God, 50 likes na. I have a 50 likes. Oh. Aray. Yes, I love talking, especially to you. Thank you for, oh my god. Because Kotachi gets annoying. Ah, what is it? What it means? Pasang. 26 people here now. See, so here he colored and another girl's room. The supporting Rick. Very supportive. Rick is a very supportive and another live stream. Hey, what thing? How's your morning? Hi, Sir Jamie Moore. Jimmy Moore, Jimmy Moore. Thank you for joining, Sir Jamie Moore. Fred, I heard that very same thing. No? Antonio, kulit mo ah. You're welcome. How are you, Sir Jamie Moore? Thank you po for joining. Oh, not drama. No, not, oh, no drama. I don't like drama in my life. I'm a chill. I don't want to cry. Oh my god. I don't want to cry. I don't want to bad mood. I just want to be happy. Oh my god, I'm getting old. I'm 40, turning 41, and soon menopause. Soon I have a wrinkles, and so on and on. So I just want to be happy, enjoy the life, no more stress. I'm good, just got off work. Thank you so much, Sir Jamie, for joining here. I really appreciate it, Sir Jamie Moore. 50 likes, yes, Sir John, 50 likes na. Thank you to those who hit the likes. Thank you so much. No need to cry. You're very happy now. Yeah, I don't like drama. To, when drama, when I'm kids, so much drama in the life. When I'm too much drama, so I don't like. I'm crying when I'm when I'm getting old. Still crying when I'm in grade school, when I'm kids, grade school, high school, start crying when I'm work at Manila. It's crying when a relationship's crying, too much crying. My God. So maybe the tears is dry. So I don't. I'm always just to be now and just to be happy. Positive vibes, you know. You're a double now. I'm a double. I'm a cry. I sighed and then the hi Fred from Sir Jamie Moore. Thank you, Sir Jamie Moore. Jamie Moore, Jimmy Moore. Oh my god, thank you my friends here on YouTube. Thank you guys. Thank you po. You're not old, Cheryl. You're a young woman. Thank you, Sir John. Yeah, I feel young and beautiful. Yes, yes. Thank you po. Congratulations. Congratulations. Mickey. Why? Why you congratulate? I am beautiful woman. Thank you, Sir John. Yeah. I'm always choose the positive, just like you are a great soul. You are a great soul in this world. Oh, thank you, Sir Jamie. Wow, great soul. You know what? Oh my God, I don't want to talk because that's why when I'm getting emotional, I'm easy to cry. That's why calm down. Congratulating for you and Mike. Ah, where's Mike? 12 people in the house. Thank you. When you said you would never leave me, why? Cheryl, don't cry. Have a good man. Mike is a very good man. Oh, I'm looking to myself. Oh my God. Sometimes lurking. What should I? What should I? What I'm looking? I believe we have reasons, baby. I don't know where they are. It's gone very quiet, yeah. Very quiet. And many roosters are loud, too loud. Thank you, Sir John. Thank you for those who sending the heart. Thank you for. Where's your coffee? Not yet coffee. Not yet coffee po. Mm. That's good idea. Aray ko. Aray. I'm I'm beautiful. I look beautiful. When you said that you love me, why is it? Yes, you do. I got for my first one now. You got I got my first one now. First one. What do you mean, sorry, Fred? First one. What time now? Ah, 6:13. Got the first one coffee. coffee? Where's my coffee? Hi, smiling clover. Where's my coffee? Thank you for sending the sa nagsenda. Angel Benetos. Hi, Angel.
Hindi ako na-inform. Kasi kausap ko si Ma'am Emily kahapon. Para man. Ano pagsabi? Bakit sa GC?
Oh my god. People talking outside. Oh. So tell me whether it's time, 'cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe I can buy 14 people. Oh my god. Thank you for the 15 likes. Thank you for the 15 likes. Thank you so much. It's raining again. Oh my god. Raining. I found the love. Leonard Johnson. Hi, Leonard Johnson. Thank you for the likes po. 17 people. 55 likes. Aray. Oh my god, myself. Oh, sorry. What is the countdown on the screen? Ah, Sir John, the countdown on the screen, the someone who sent the super chat. It's have and my goal. My goal, I reached the 10 people who send the super chat. Ito dito sa may ano. May kulay black. Tapos may ano doon. Yes po. You can send Sir John any amount because it has a goal. It's a goal. Uh, I mean, its time is up. 2 minutes before and the goal. Hi, hey person, what are you doing?
Sa
I'm
may
doing live.
resibo.
Hmm. I'm doing live. Golden, how are you, Golden?
Pangbalik ko.
Thank you for joining. Sorry, had call. It's okay. It's okay, Sir Fred. No worries. Thank you for the likes. Goal of what for you not to dance. Yeah. Yeah, not to dance. Yes, sir. Yes, Golden. I follow you, you know what? Yes po, Sir Golden. Oh my god. Good morning, beloved. Hi, good morning. The Janisha Villanova. Janisha. You follow me now. Yes. Because you said no dance. Let's see. Yes, boss. What happens when you reach the goal? When I reach the goal, Sir John, happy. I'm happy because I reached the goal. When people having reached the goal, so happy. S- Tell me who's that girl? Simon says stand up. I thought you said I'm stand up. Oh my god. Fair enough. Yeah, fair enough. Yes, the fair enough. I thought you said I'm stand up. Oh my god. I need to set up the another goal. Um, when she reaches the goal, she can take a break. She can take a break. So, Simon says, "Don't move." No Simon here. Golden, no Simon. Don't. Fair enough. Yeah, fair enough. Simon says, "Laugh." Who's Simon? Oh my God, who's the Simon? You said you follow me. I follow you, but not for Simon. Duh. Who's Simon? It used to be a game kids playing in States. Yeah. Ah, okay. No, so I'm not a kid. I'm a woman now. So Simon say don't move. I'm Simon. No. You're golden. You're still a kid to me. Oh my god. You know what? Oh my god. Soon I'm at menopausal baby. Someday I'll someone will. If you want like that, I thought before. I thought before Golden. Tim said. Golden say don't know. But wait, what? Nothing. My God, I'm pangit na. That that don't work. Golden needs to be Simonson. She said she didn't know a Simon. Yeah, I don't know Simon. Who's Simon? Simon. Simon. Thank you, Kuya Gab. Ilagay mo to dito, Kuya. So it's golden. What? Golden. I like Golden because Golden is my friend. Simon, I don't know Simon. I don't know him. Don't, don't, Thank you to those who sending the hearts. Thank you so much. A little, so a little colder. Golden said, "I'll be back, friends." Lol. Take your time. Take your time, Golden. Thank you for joining. Take your time, Golden. Yeah. Thank you for joining here, Golden. Simon. Yeah, because of the YouTube different name here, so that's why we recognize the channel name than the original, the real name. So that's why. But I like the golden because the golden name is the name of the friend here. Golden is a very kind friend here when he came here because I first met him. That's why he's funny, crazy friend, like you, Sir Fred. And he funny. That's why he cool. He's cool friend. Thank you to those sending the heart. I'm just crazy. Just crazy. Thank you po. 19 out of 59 likes. Oh my god. 59 likes. Me too. Yeah, yes, sir. Aray ko. Oops. Beautiful out front here. On my way home, I'll take it later. Sure. Are you going home now? What? I will take you. What it means? I will take you. I'll take you. Mike sleeping. I don't know. Is he still sleeping? Maybe sleeping. I don't know if he's still sleeping. I think he's sleeping. I found love. My God, myself. What? Hi, good morning. What? Why you love me? Omar Farouk. Farouk. Maybe he trying to get used to Philippine time so he not sleeping when he meets you. I don't know. Maybe everyone loves her. Loves him. Loves loves Mike. Everyone loves Mike. I found for me. Yeah, that's what he told me he was trying to get accustomed to Philippine time. Me. Okay. Everyone loves you. Hmm? Everyone loves me. May Mister. Hi, Mister. We're done. Sheryl playing dumb now. She knows everyone loves her. Eh? Bleh. Everyone loves me. Hindi naman yung totoo. That's not true. Sheryl. Sheryl. What? I'm going to get breakfast, but catch you later. Thank you, Sir John. Thank you po, Sir John. Thank you for joining, Sir John. What? Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Oh my God. Thank you, my God. My clothes? My God, no. Tom Dwayne might be faster than me. Yeah, I recognize. I thought no one moderator here, then someone suddenly commented some bad. Oh my God, Sir Dwayne came here. Then, thank you, Sir Dwayne. Yes, on my way now driving. Take care, Rick. Keep safe, pa. Fredlo. Who cares, Rick? Rick is my friend, so that's why. A good friend of mine. Sir Fred. Ev Veran Cutie. Hi Veran Cutie. 61 likes. Thank you so much. Tell me who's that girl Cola Guapa. 51. 15 people. Dwayne, you use translator. I think guapa means beautiful. Same here in Philippines. Guapa, beautiful. Fred, no, I don't use the translate. I thought about it though. Yes, I know what guapa is. Yeah, guapa is beautiful. So, some words here in Philippines is Spanish. Yes.
Bob.
Hello, my friend. Hi, Sergio Sanchez. Hi. I have Google Translate on my other phone. Okay. Thank you, Sir Fred. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. Spain. Living in Spain, Sergio. Sergio. Fred, I'm going to try to set up on my computer. Wow. I'm glad you like your phone. Yeah, I love it. Thank you, Rick. Thank you so much. Good, good storage. Good for vlogging. The camera is good. What national are you? I'm living in the Philippines. I'm living here in the Philippines. Some people here now. iPhone camera is great. Yeah, but iPhone is expensive. iPhone here is expensive. Yeah, even the old model still expensive. Got a screenshot of you snoring. I mean yawning. Ah, sorry. Yawning. Thank you, 62. 62 likes. Sometime kiraming gumugulo sa aking isip. Sapat na sa akin ang nalalaman ko. 63 likes. Thank you so much for the 63 likes. Thanks a lot. Nalalaman ko sapat na. Double tap your screen and subscribe everyone. Thank you, Sir Martin. Thank you po. Thank you po, Sir Martin. Cheryl, thank you, Martin. Ang nalalaman ka sapat na sa akin. I was just going to say, everyone like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Sapat na, Martin beat me. Yeah. Martin is one supportive friends here on my channel too. That's why. I'm the boss on this. So what? I have the boss. Thank you, Sir Fred. Sapat na na star. Hola, hola. Hola, 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 hola sa bala. Hola, hola. Hola. Hello, cutie. Hi, Amos. I'm the boss. How dare he say he is? Good morning, Anistar Martin. Lul. Cheryl, good morning, Shamrock. Welcome back here, Shamrock. Hello, Shamrock Martin. Thank you for joining here, Shamrock. Ang nalalaman ko sapat na. You kiss says yes. I'm okay, Shamrock. How are you, Shamrock? The Ganta Mile Candy, Argentina. 10:40 p.m. here. Ah, okay. Here morning. Different hours, different times. I hit 100 likes. I hit 100 views, K views today and 300 subs. Yes, good job, Shamrock. Good job, Shamrock. Keep it up. You can reach the goal. What are you doing? Hey, Genesio. Shamrock, that's awesome. Yes. Keep going, Shamrock. Keep it up, Shamrock. You can reach the goal. Thanks, Fred. More no more. More no more. Sapat na sa akin ang nalalaman ko ay. Shamrock, did you subscribe to me? I will subscribe to you, bro. Yeah. Support each other. It helps. Yes, already saw Martin. Yeah. Nalalaman ko sapat na sa akin. Okay, I will subscribe to you. Thank you, guys. Thanks, bro, from Shamrock. 303 subscribers now. Machat na lang yun sa sir mo kung na-raise pila. What is your zodiac sign? My zodiac sign is Aquarius. 1985, year of the ox. So, oh my god, Aquarius is my favorite. Yeah. The Aquarius said silent but dangerous. Darling, do you have a boyfriend or not? I have an husband. Sagittarius and Aquarius, besties low. Ah, yeah, besties. Thank you, for the likes, but I don't know you. Who you? Dion. Dionesio. It's still humid there. Humid. Love you too, Dionesio. Shamrock. I didn't know you love me. Oh my god.
Wala. Wala tayo.
I thought he loved me. Oh my god. There's enough love to go around, Dwayne.
Sige.
Oh my god. So you, Janicio, you have a lovers now, not only one. Oh my god. Well, all confused. Story of my life, Red. Charap, charap.
Bara, sa lunes pa balik.
Sino nagsabi? Ma?
Sabi na dito.
Ah, that's good. I don't mind being confused. He keeps me from going insane. Thanks, everyone. Story. Nara si tita mo sila.
Opo, sa balikan.
Aray ko. Atay, aray.
Ayun. Ah,
Atay. Aray ko. Oh my god. I'm passing Sandwin. The darling, have you eaten or not? Oh my god. Sir Dwayne. Janisha, I'm really very hungry. Are you going to Mika's dinner? And I don't want pizza. Oh my god. I want pizza. I like pizza. I like pizza. There is no pizza in this town. Why? Here, lots of pizza here. Thank you. 18 people in the house. Yes. Hi, Frank Mello from Brazil. Nancy, Brazil. I want to. Oh my god. Getting old now. Well, we all get old. Yeah. It is a very small town here. That's why no pizza. Ah, okay. You look great. I look great. Hi, Sir Kenneth. You could open your own pizza restaurant. Sure, you look great. Why? Why I look great? Don't lie to her. Huh? Yeah. Where are you now? I'm at home. Yeah. There's no mean place. I'm retired when I'm not opening anything. I understand the surface. You need to rest, enjoy the life. It's just beautiful. It's beautiful and getting old. Oh my god. She all right. Yeah, I'm all right. I'm fine. Except the bear bottles. Yeah, the bear. Hello to you, mom. Charlotte could be the manager. You hire me as a manager? Hope all good. Yes. Hope all good. Oh my god. I'm turning 41, Michael. Pretty good looking. Pretty good looking on my skin. My god. Uh, what? 41. Yes, I'm turning 41. Pretty good. Wow, only turning 40. Turning 41. Of course, you manage the home. Do very well. You would be a great pizza restaurant manager. The first one right in the town. Oh, yes. Yes. How I wish having a pizza restaurant. Yes. That's why I need to learn how to be an entrepreneur. Mom old. Mom did good on her. Golden. 41, my gosh. I remember being 41. Yeah. This said for the beginning at 40. That's why. I'm in love. I'm last year, 40 years old. Crazy I am. Oh my god. I am 107, guys. Wow. Verizon is the town. Verizon is down here, maybe all over the United States. I don't know. I don't know. No signal. You're so lucky, 42, and you look 28. Hmm? Fell sleepy. Yeah, because I sleep late last night and then wake up early. So a little fell sleepy. Verizon is all over USA. Wow, great Verizon. Kenneth, Verizon is down throughout the states. Hmm. That's what I thought. I'm on same Wi-Fi now. I wish that looked good at all falling, all falling down. Oh my God. You're from where? I'm living in the Philippines. Sir Logan, the not. Age just a number and waist size. Waist size. I didn't like version. I went with AT&T. AT&T. Golden. I'm dead. You're a kid. How many children? I have one kid, Sir Logan. I have one. I have one kid. Very respectful, Michael. Why he said what Michael said? I didn't read. Fred has got 30 minutes to learn about being respectful. Cheryl is the big kid. Yeah. Oh, what he said. What Michael said. I'm not read. You're too fast. My mouth is too fast. I don't know if there's even a good provider anymore. One cell phone first came out, and you never dropped the call. I had Singular. Does anybody remember Singular? He said everything is falling down. Is that what you're talking about? I'm sorry. Why he time out for leg? Oh, my leg. I remember Singular because I didn't think it was respectful. Oh. Damn, Cheryl, do you have a great legs? No, but I confident my leg. I confident about my legs, but not good legs. Not good legs. I used to talk all night and never drop a call. Wow. Are you a call center? You have a great legs. Very beautiful lady. Simon. Yes, mom. Cheryl, when you get older, everything starts falling you. You're still young. Still young. My friend, Mr. Fred, can you please at the top of your neck like the leg song? Oh my god. Matthew Parisi. I have a great place. Hi, Simon. Nobody asked your opinion about her. If I remember, Kenneth. Guapa, hi, GS Rocker. Thank you po, GS Rocker. Welcome back here. You see, you only do Zumba once a week, yeah. I every Sunday morning I do Zumba. Hey, Rocker, put him away. Put him away. Like, subscribe, and share. Support. Thank you. What? Matthew, I'm here to see you sing. To see you sing. Fred, you have a gun shy on me again? Huh? Simon? I'm not shy, I'm crazy.
Like,
Put them away. What put them away? But you about to go away, Simon. Try to get a chance to text me on Facebook. Nice color from the sun today. Simon's being sarcastic about your appendage. Ah, okay. I don't do FB. I love your smile, beautiful smile. Let's discuss your beauty. My beauty. My beauty is getting older. My God. Don't discuss about that. Yeah. Hallelujah. Talk to Mike about how you can contact. Ah, I can contact Queen. I can contact Twain. Okay. Hey, remember I added you on Instagram a bit ago, Ryan. I'm not on Instagram. Yeah, that's why. Sorry, I'm not visiting them there. What's your name on? What's your name on Instagram, Ryan? Yeah, Fred. He told me. It doesn't seem like it's as noisy at your house. Everybody is being very kind of quiet. Very kind of quiet. I found the love. Tell me who's that girl. Tell me who's. I'm on in Florida. Okay, take care, Ryan. They are the chicken. Yeah, can we get the 70 likes? Oh, thank you, JS Rocker. Thank you, JS Rocker. Can I? Lol. Who's the girl? 25 people. Thank you po. Hi, Kuya Tree. Kuya Tree in the house. Hello, Kuya Tree. She can get to 100 likes. Thank you, Sir Fred. The 100 likes. Oh my god, 70 likes. Oh my god. Thank you guys. Thank you po. How is everyone doing? Everyone doing? Everyone is fine. Doing alive. Zop had. Thank you, Kuya Tree. Fred, if you give me away a free bear, you get 200 likes. Had another 700 to DC. 700 today. Alfredo. Hi, Alfredo. Some night chat. Can we go get 80 like chat? Oh, thank you, JSR, JS Rocker. Thank you so much. I meant three. You had another 700. 700 what? Korean Dre. I like your Instagram post about two bears. I already I'm al- I accept you there on Instagram. Ryan, Ryan, Ryan. Sorry, Ryan. Thank you, Ryan. Has it been raining there? Is it cold? Little cold. Not too cold, but I just want to wear the jacket. Yes, Cheryl. So what the 700? Two bears and Cheryl is strong. Yeah. Alfredo. Hi, Alfredo. Three bears and Cheryl is making a second baby. Who? It's 64 here. 64. That's Spanish language. Okay. Like, subscribe, and share. Support. Thank you po, JS Rocker. Still is the girl on the Thank you so much. My God. Mm. Aray. Aray. Ilanov and you know, how to speak Sergi S. Rocker. It's much healthier for your skin and body temperature for you to take off the black sweater. The black sweater. My jowa leave me again every 2 days. Ah, Kuya Dre, I feel your jowa. We always like that, but we love the you need to be understandable for being a Filipino girlfriend, jowa. Yes, Kuya Dre. No, it's not Ryan. Ryan, there's no need for her to take it up. Aray ko. Ay, aray. I'm getting old na. Talaga.
Kapan na?
That's not fair. Jollibee, Belgiting mahal. The Jollibee. When Filipina tampo, need the Jollibee. Oh, Jollibee the Filipina tampo with their jowa, need the Jollibee. If the if you yeah the if the Filipina girlfriend Filipina if making a tampo, I feel tampo, you feel like you need a Jollibee. Jollibee for tampo Filipina. Oh my god. I had an old man catalogs for me once. He wore a flannel shirt, 100 leather. He said it was cooler. He would sweat through the shirt and feel cold on the inside. True story. Weather, not leather. Ah, the weather. Yeah, 100% true, Kenneth. Beautiful lady. Hi, thank you. Of course, yes. Saban. Aray. I used to see the old farmers sowing all the time, especially where humidity is lower. Humidity is lower. Oh my god. Um, well, it was. Well, it was. Well, it was heavy humidity. He watched the Mexican War construction, and they have a long sleeve shirt. She yucking me because I'm not coming back to the Philippines until the end of the year. Oh my God, why? I said wala ang pera. I need to work. Oh my God, Kuya Dre. That's why your Filipina girlfriend, he feel tampo. He needs Jollibee. Kuya Dre. You need to, oh my God. Old farmers will tell you it color in the shade, long sleeve shade. It's like drinking coffee in hot weather because it cools you down. Okay. Yeah, my granny used to be there. Hot coffee all day. hot coffee all day.
Kalaban na din mo, umiwasin na. Ano ba? Nagkulang na lang ang hangin. Mabalakang kita.
Be back soon. Take your time, Sir Fred. Thank you so much. I'm waiting until the end of the year so I can stay for months. Yeah, need to save money. Hope she have a work, your girlfriend, or life is not easy.
Man, ano man lang yung tuba pa, pagkita ko ba dito? Hindi ako nang ako na ipagkita ko para hindi ako nang
She works, but I support also. Sana all. Sana all. Kuya Joy. Supportive jowa. Ikaw na.
may konta ako, plus na, ako luglog dyan, ako po, sabi na ako
Nalaban pa na ako ng tao, hindi pa man nagpapaano. Parang ako lakaw doon. Ang tao doon po. Ano natawuhan? Babae. Po, yung bantayan kasunod na nangyari. Bago yala, makurog na ako.
Buenos dias, promos.
May tao. Nandun ako lakaw. Mapag-fit ko na. Alas 7 na ho, alas 7, pag matalo na. Napansin ko na pagkay mo.
Then she said I make her tabs because I support. What's that? Tablets? Then she said I make her tabs. What tabs? Thumbsack. Thank you for the thumbsack. Sholande Gosman. Oh my god, 73 likes. Thank you so much. PGMB boss. Leonie. Hi Leonie, thank you for joining. Like Dan host. Happy live stream. Thank you Leonie. Dati nandikit. Okay po. Thank you so much. So pasensya ka na, sorry po na hindi agad kita napuntahan kasi busy pa. Thank you. Taba, sorry. Taba. What? Ito. Okay, Adri. Then she said making her taba. You make her taba. She chubby now. It's okay, it's being a chubby. At least, the important is you love each other. Full fat host. Thank you, Shalandi Guzman. Like, subscribe, share, and support. Thank you po, Leonie. Thank you, Leonie Ariola. Thanks for the return. I will return po. Balikan po kita. Busy lang. Only 72 likes. 72 likes. Yeah, 74 now, Golden. Hi, Golden. Then they really must not like you now. No 100 likes. Thank you, Golden. Wolf, it's you again, Wolf. You Wolf again. The Wolf is here again. No leggings, Wolf. I have no leggings. Ryan, is your kid a child or an adult child? This is only 9 years old. Can we get to eat like chat? Thank you, JS Rocker. No wall chicken. Yeah, can you stand? Wow, wow, for. Tararat, tan, tararat, tan, tan. Mhm, mhm, mhm.
Kaya daghan mga daghan ulit makapatay sila kay mga ulang-ulang mga kaulangan.
I'm home. Okay. Are you home now? That's great, Rick. 45 kilos first meet. Now she 58. Oh my god, she getting fat. But she's maganda with the extra yes. But it's still maganda. Being maganda is not about the shape, body shape. It's about the heart, the inner beauty. Still maganda. Charara. Me, even I eat a lot. I'm not getting gain weight. Americanized Trey. She eating good now, Trey.
Tapos ang tahi, wapor, ang sali dua, apple, sana,
Me, I don't know why I'm not gaining weight. I'm still small. My God. Still, I'm thin. I'm thin. Like still small. Even I take vitamins. Maybe I'm working to I walk a lot. That's why I walk a lot. Every day I walk a lot. Yeah, Fred, she loves sweet. Oh, she loves sweets. That's why she needs exercise. Even eat a lot needs an exercise. You are you taking care of your jowa. Means you are a good jowa. You are late on this. You walk. Why all late on this? Huh? You walk a mile in knee deep mud the other day that will keep you slim. Oh yeah. No, I walk a lot always. Every day I walk a lot. I'm not complaining. I think she looks better taba. It's okay for being taba. It's okay. It's fine, Kuya Dre. Walk. Yeah, I walk a lot. Every day, walking. You know how many times this girl done. And I also dance. I love dance. That's why even I cook, I dance like this. I move my body. I always know. That's why maybe I'm not getting weight. I'm not gaining weight. She don't need to walk. She bones on. She bones on. Thank you, 13 people in the house. Hi, thank you for joining. Have to call her. bone. Collarbone. The collarbone. Yes. You call it golden? The collarbone. I have a collarbone. Bone. It's the collarbone. So call her collarbone. Bone Cheryl. Yes. The collarbone is the collarbone. What collarbone?
Papahalik ka man dito sila mahalik no. Tulos. Sige, Bilin. Ayun mo na lang dito.
Oh my God, golden. Bonnie Cheryl. Nano na isda? Ha? Nano na isda?
Dito, kabalya, si Bobog.
Wala, nandidigaban ano. Ay, kuado dito gaban ano kwarto. 200 lang kuan. Oh my God. Call her Bonnie Cheryl. Oh, someday. Wait. I need to buy the fish. Hey guys. What's your fish?
Ito pa sa ating Manila.
Kanin mo na. Ate, ano mo na? Ilay, kaya mo ini-ilay na. Ilay. 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 Kaya mo ini yung kainin mo sa nilandigan ni tatay mo. Kaya nilandigan ni tatay mo sa ina kapag iniho, ipakal mo kainin mo sa iniho. Tama na yun. So, bakal yun na po. Wala na, wag yung tinangkan mo kayo na. Tama na yun. Bakit yun wala na tayo? Saan? Kiss-kiss na lang. Di ko masabi, makakatinglabi. Cause you
Cause you and I golden. Oh my god, I watch myself. Oh my god. Because most of them called have the nickname, yeah. Unknown nickname. Some I didn't know their new color now. Bonnie color. A Bonnie Sheryl. The Bonnie. Especially, Gabriel, dito ka na. Especially. Especially when they're speaking English. Ano is used a lot, yeah. Ano. Yeah. The ano. I like your ano. I want ano. I want the ano. I want to eat the ano. Where's the five moderators? Five moderators? Fred, you want to come make this run for me? Come out of retirement body we need, yeah. Because she wants like five moderators. Yeah. I don't know their new color. Thank you so much. Always say what's that ano. Ano means it's what and ano. What's that ano? What ano means what in Tagalog and English. Ano is what, like I like your what. I love your what. I wanna see your what. I wanna cook what. That's why. I wanna cook ano. I wanna eat ano. My ano is itching.
Sa nakaraan, no?
My ano is something like that. Don't see ano. Mini means ano. But just like ano. Yeah, I know that. I know what that ano. You know what ano means, no? Kaya I hate when my ano is itchy. You hate when your ano is itching. You need to wash your ano. That's why non itching. My God. I found the love. Oh, thank you so much for the 76 likes. Thank you guys. Thank you, Bob. What the malupya, mapulat. Malupula, bonay tulo, tinapay sayo. Candy siyam. Anisado, royal. Step Candilas, Kamangyan, Apple, Almond, Manduwin, ubas, manok, karni, tilapia, pasayan, kasag. Can we make it 80 likes, chat? Oh my god, 76, 4 likes. 4 likes na lang, 80 likes na. Opo, may jowa, vintage me, Tagalog for almost 2 years now. Wow. Congratulations, long-term relationship. Kuya Dre, 21 people here now. Let me see the set. And there I go. Hola mi flaquera hermosa, como estoy? Saludos mi what means Francisco Balugal. Hi. Oh my god. 3 more likes na lang. 3 more likes. Three more likes po. Oh, sorry, was busy. It's okay, Sir Brad. No worries. Take your time po. Morning is busy time. Morning is a busy time. And no way, Dre, I'm done with the driving. But my ano nosebleeds sometimes, especially with different dialect that sounds like Tagalog like yours. Ah, nosebleed. Yeah, like Bicol dialect. 7 likes pa. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Minha seleção. I sign. 78 likes. Come on, guys, hit that like. Oh, thank you so much for the likes. Get to go. Tilapia. Pasayan 30. I'm reading. I understand you sometimes when you're speaking. Ah, okay. Thank you pa. Matthew Harper Easy. Hi again. Hi Matthew. 77, 78 likes. No, oh my god. 78 likes. No. Almost 80. Almost 80. Yeah, almost 80. Oh my god. Hit the likes na po. I'm watching. My god. I watch myself. Oh, it's really weird. You look. You like looking at yourself, yeah. Oh my god, I'm looking to my, you're a girl watcher. Now you see how beautiful you are. Beautiful. Thank you pa. Nalaman mo nang malamang na sinasabing. Yes, that's why I like to watch you. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you po. He not biased. Michael? Michael. The nothing biased bag. Oh well. Out of jail. Oh my god. I'm not be Marites. Seems like you have a new shiny shiny hair. You have a shiny hair. Kuya Dre. Shiny My God. Thank you 20 people. Thank you so much. Shiny Shiny Kailangan mo malaman na wala nang mga sinasabing kakapilapit. No, but the you're looking your cell phone. Ah, okay. Hi, Kevin McConnell. Hello po. I'm looking myself, but I'm looking on the screen, something like that, while doing this. Lul. Oh my god, 79 like, hey pretty lady. Hi Kevin, Sir Kevin, like kind of. Thank you so much for the likes. 17 million. Good, good. Maybe we finally get to see your real talent filming nature. Yeah, I will. I will filming the nature. That's why. That's my purpose. Y- You will see the nature here in the Bicol province, Philippines. Now time to get 90. No, because I need to end the live, Sir Fred. Because need to clean home, miss your room. Need to not yet, not yet. Coffee, breakfast. Need to walis. Walis the labas. Need to walis to labas. Do you dye your hair or you still no gray? Oh, my hair. 79. 79 likes. Thank you so much. Need to reach the 80 likes. One more likes. All natural. All natural. Time to go to clean and cooking, huh? Yes, cooking and drink coffee, breakfast. Time to eat the breakfast. Nabalik mo yun, Gab. Thank you po. Brush. Those pearly whites. Those pearly whites. Pearly whites. Thank you so much for 79 likes. Ano. Ano. Tit. Kaya ba ano? No. Remove the tit. Tot decay. Tit then this. That's why I can't smile because I remove the tit. That's why I need more teeth. Need another teeth. There's a song I know. Did you lose a thought? Yeah. But this and then this. One, two, one, two. Lose thought. I like all of you, Sheryl. Without tooth. Still like me without tooth. Tooth. What happened? I chipped my tooth recently and need to get it fixed. Oh, really? Wow. It's a crack. Suddenly just crack. Maybe it's a fragile. So weak my tooth. Suddenly like, oh what? Maybe too much coffee. And that cute by the Pointer Sisters. I need to end the live now, but thank you, Ryan. Thank you, Kevin McNall. Thank you, Sir Fred. Kudri, thank you so much. Hey, Matthew, thank you for joining. What else? Kuya Dre. Thank you, Rick. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Wow, Sir Dwayne. Thank you, Golden, Sir Jamie. GSR, thank you so much. Thank you guys. God bless. Have a nice day. Thank you always for supporting me here. Bye. Thank you. Hope to see you next live. Thank you po. Thank you, Matthew. Hope to see you next live. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Fred. Bye bye. God bless. Bye bye, great legs. May pahabol pa eh. Okay, see you, pretty sister. Talk to you later. Yeah, thank you po. Thank you so much. Love you all.